Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a flat rate shipping method in Odoo. So a flat rate shipping method charges customers a fixed delivery fee. For example, $5 or $10 regardless of order size or weight. So actually guys, first you will need to enable the shipping features. Okay, so you will need just to go with your website or the website's app right here in middle. So just go ahead and tap on it or click on it and then go with configuration option that you can see at the top bar. So right here you will need to go with the shipping and delivery. That option that you can find inside settings. So that's the tab or the section, the e-commerce. So here you will need to configure the payments method and the delivery methods. All right, so here you can go and set up your payments methods. All right, so you can go with text excluded, included, optional, disable, mandatory if you want to someone to sign in up to checkout, etc. Okay, and that's for the delivery methods. Right, so I do really advise you to go with the all users here, add to cart, go to cart, or say, so to be honest, that's up to you. And you can go with automatic invoice, comparison price, product reference price, so the customers will check or will see and notice other products that you have on your store. And then once finished, just go with save changes. Now guys, I do really want you to go with inventory on the left side here. Okay, so here guys, you will need to make sure that the delivery method is checked. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.